slipcover on this IKEA Skruvsta office chair. This chair is so fun. I really love it for my desk and it's super comfortable. The only thing I don't like about it is that it comes in really boring colors like this plain black or plain white. They used to have a version that was multicolored triangle shapes, but I believe it's been discontinued. So anyway, everybody loves to decorate their office, and this is the perfect chair to customize to fit your decor. Today I'm going to do a baby pink fur, which is one of my best sellers, and I just think it makes this chair look fabulous for any kind of decor that's glamorous, Hollywood, Regency, and of course baby pink or blush pink is a really hot color right now, which seems to be staying on trend for the foreseeable future. So let's get started. So here's my cover. We have made a drawstring closure at the bottom. So position this at the front, and when you get it you will see that there's two eyelets at the front hem, and that's what you're going to put towards the front. So you're simply going to just put it on the front like this, and now at the bottom here, making sure that it's lined up with the front of the chair, you're just going to pull it together like a normal drawstring. And you might need to do a little bit of maneuvering because this fabric is really thick, but if you can pull it as tight as you can while spreading out the fabric around the back of the chair, that will really help. And then I am just going to tie it in a bow like that. And last but not least, these pieces here are just going to be tucked up underneath. So let me turn it around. It's looking good. Fluff it up a bit. Looks amazing already. And now we're just going to add the seat. With the seat, you want to put the flat edge towards the front. Et voila! Gorgeous faux pink fur Skruvsta chair slipcover.